is Farmer Z. A wartime, what is it? Corn and popchow. That's the popchow here. And then this is the corn. Look at my shit. I'm not dressed for the occasion today. Let's get look a bit closer. Oh, nice. Look at this, beautiful. Cut this up, put like a salt, pepper, and suchins, and have it for breakfast. Just like you would make cabbage. Now, let's look at the corn. How long you plant them here? How long ago you plant them? December 19? Wow. Wow. And look how them come up already. Them one here to them one here look like you plant them later. Wonder how long before them can eat. What soon mean? A month?
Not so long, not so long.
So less than a month, and then we have them ready to eat.
So they look overnight.
This can't eat now?
No, they're finished.
They're young.
They're finished.
Wonder how they taste like this.
I have to sample it first. Before.
So you pick one and then cook it and see how it tastes? Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm just selling it. I have to taste it first.
Do the kind them plant December too?
Yeah, but then kind of before scratch them out.
So somebody tell you how to plant them, or you just try your thing?
Yeah,
Somebody show you?
I don't know if you plant them already, but sometimes reason why you see some of them so close. I fall them, we catch out some of the thing and they come out.
Oh, the kind them you attack.
Two of them grow and you just...
Oh, them grow very close together, yeah. But the popchow them, I see, they don't need so much space in between.
Remember, so when this come out, you know, I go replace with them here. Because them is one cut. This one have to cut. When them here remove, you have this coming up next.
Okay, so this is a sucker.
Yeah.
So when it gets a little bigger, you root it up and then plant it over here. You transplant it, okay. Oh, so you press that bit. But rain fall yesterday.
Yeah.
You still water it anyway.
Because the soil suck water and popchow take water.
Okay. Cho. Right there. No one saw what's up that.
So what's up in there?
So 2, 3 mixed up in it? Oh, this is the soursop tree also.
Where you want to go down?
So this is soursop, look.
Uh-huh.
Okay, mommy, I think I trust the soursop and then the chocha tree there right there. So, oh, no laugh at me. The picking chocha.
You can go up on it one.
I remember the torture van, I used torture tree.
Oh, you wrap around the chocha vine wrap around the soursop tree.
Cool.
Thank you. Man, a farm, you know. Why? Oops. Pumpkin. Chocho. I mean, oh jeez. Pumpkin and cocoa. That's cocoa right there.
Yes or no?
Cane.
I swear so.
Banana tree. Cocoa. Again. This chocha look like clitoris. Clitoris. Oh, that's how them say wash your chocha. Wash your chocha, girl. Because, oh, makes sense now. Boy.